So we're here in St. Lucia right now. We're just waiting to go to Martinique, so we're waiting on the plane. So we in the hotel right now. Yeah, we're in Martinique. There's gonna be a vibe tomorrow. Tomorrow it's all about Jab Jab 2020. It's gonna be crazy, it's gonna be a vibe.
On reste dans le Belgian vibes. Attention.
Crazy. We're coming back soon, don't worry, we're coming back soon. This is your water. This your water?
That's my water, man.
Your water.
You know what is my water.
Yeah, we waiting on Motto and Triple M. You know, them always partying late, so they probably not wake up too. I'm just hoping that we don't miss this next flight to Trinidad.
Oh my god, so much to play at, man. But this is the flight from Barbados to Trinidad.
Thank you guys for checking out my vlog in Martinique. It was crazy, it was a vibe, you know. Look out for more videos and make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't. A lot of crazy stuff, mashups, tutorials, mixes, all kind of stuff coming. It's your boy Kai and we out.